everyone, Siavash here, high-level certified admin, and this is another episode of High-Level One-on-One for beginners. And this episode, we're going to talk about social media and how you can actually connect your social media. This is a bit different from the integration. The social media is mainly about scheduling posts and those kind of things. This is going to be a quick one. I'm not going to be going into much details because there's not much to discuss. But for those of you that want to do like simple social marketing posting and scheduling, so the place to find is on the marketing, and then the first thing that comes is social planner. So you can at the moment connect these platforms, and you can connect as many of them as you want. By that I mean like you can have 5, 10 Facebook pages, 20 Instagram, 10 Google My Business, doesn't matter. I'm just going to go ahead and connect my Facebook, for example, just to see how you go. So right now it just basically shows a bunch of the pages that I have. Now it didn't ask me to log in because I've already logged in and gave access to lead connector to have access to my stuff. So I'm going to add one of them, and it says what Instagram account or any other page. I'm like, this is fine. Let's close that. This is connector. Same with Instagram. It says you got to log into Facebook. So it's pretty straightforward stuff. And I'm going to choose this one. And I'm not gonna bother with the rest. It's going to be very, very similar. And then I'm gonna click on get started. Now this is very, very basic. So for those of you that have used more advanced social planner and those kind of things, you might feel that why the heck even should I bother using this? But for some of you that like selling services to like some businesses that they don't do any type of social media, this can be a huge selling point for you and at pretty much zero cost because it comes with the platform. So you have a very simple planner like this that you can actually click on. It brings up the create post creation. You can create groups. You can choose all the accounts or you can use specific ones, and you can customize for each channel. So you can see the difference on them, or you can just have it the same. And then you can put the text, image, video, hashtag, whatever you want, upload, create image using AI, like animated car going fast. Generate. It generates an AI image for you that you can put it in there. Sky's your limit. So these are just typical stuff that you can do. Gives you a couple of variations. There you go. Click on this, continue. And boom, the image comes in here. Obviously, the aspect ratio is not great, so that's why it looks like that. But anyway, you can add tags. You can save your tags and tell it to rotate them as well. You can have categories in your tags and do the rotation. And this is how you do the scheduling. Now, a lot of you that have done scheduling inside the Facebook Meta business, you've noticed that Facebook gives you a hint about like the best time to post. At the moment, we don't have that option inside high level. And I'm not sure if actually Facebook exposes that to third parties, but at the moment we don't have that. So yeah, you get a very simple kind of posting thing. The other one that is a little bit more advanced, and honestly, I'm not sure if it's going to be useful for a lot of you, is you can actually upload a CSV of posts. So if I click on this, you see it has upload CSV. We also have like a template as well. So when you click on upload CSV, you can literally put this data inside the CSV. And let's say you have 2,000 lines of rows, that would be 2,000 posts. And you can basically upload that with the data. It's pretty amazing, but setting it up might be a little bit time consuming. So that's something that you're not gonna see in a lot of social planners. And then obviously we have the social planner templates for different industries. Let's say you want to do digital marketing. You select it and you say, all right, this is good, continue. They're gonna add the templates, and from there you can actually select the dates, frequency, number of posts each day, social account, select them, and there you go. Just basically schedule posts. I'm not going to do that because it's going to I actually posted on my Facebook account. But that's another option that you have as well. There's not much more that I'm going to talk about. The other thing is that once you got in here and you want to add more accounts, this is one option. This is another option. Clicking on settings, it will go back to where it was. Connect socials. You have a watermark kind of remover as well, I believe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The other thing, sorry, I just remember this. That's what happens when you do live videos and not editing. So you see, it says that each time you need, like, if it gets expired, it's gonna notify you because alert. This is a little bit technical. So each one of these have like a auth token that they need to be refreshed, and it tells you like when it's going to be expired. So you might need to kick and log into Facebook again and give access, not give access, but just like reconnect it again for it to start working. But hey, that was it. So that's Social Planner. Again, if you haven't joined our communities, make sure that you join them. We do a lot of conversation, what's happening, updates, and those kind of things. And you have access to me as well to ask questions and also all the other members. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.